So guys, this is the setup. So we're almost done. We actually have more few things to add here para and then of course some lightings. So if you guys would notice, ang daming balloons because balloons and everything goes to Lucena City. Yay! So pupunta kami sa Lucena. Ay, nandito kami sa Lucena because there is a bap- baptismal or christening o christening. Basta yun, the party. So, good thing there's a good weather today. And hindi maulan. So, good. At wala pa akong ligo. Wala pa. Ganun talaga guys, no? Pag may mga business. Pag may mga business. Like, it really may laway ka pa. It needs really time, energy. Kasi all the way from work, then you have to prepare all the stuff. Kasi of course, as a business owner, kailangan i-consider mo yung costing. Hindi naman porket business owner ka, wala ka nang gagawin. So, rely mo lahat yung gagawin mo dun sa mga tao mo. Wala ka lang kinita, right? So guys, mag-i-impest na kami. But what do you say guys? Okay ba yung positioning of these things? Because you have to put some lights underneath pa for an effect. But for the meantime, I have to clean. Look at that guys. It's very affordable to guys. If you would, I would compare it because of course we have events also in our workplace. So I normally ask how does it cost? So if I would compare our pricing to theirs, ours is way cheaper. So guys, look at that. I'm so sweaty. So we're done setting up with I think you've seen it. So sobrang hirap lang pala mag-set up because of course, hindi mo naman kontrolado yung location. So minsan walang aircon. Of course, magtitipid sila, yung may-ari ng venue. So it really requires a lot of effort. Really requires um, patience also. So yeah, it's kind of fulfilling because nakita alam mo naman that your output is maganda. But yeah, nakakapagod lang yet fulfilling.